Ugama uthi alikho iqhaza alibamba ezivumelwaneni ezaholela ekuthengweni kwezitimela ezingaphezulu kwenkulungwane eTransnet.
No, I didn't play any role.
Uthe uma evalelwa ekhoneni ngeqhaza lakhe watshela ikhomishana ukuthi yena wafika nje isivumelwano sesiya ngasemaphethelweni.
I really just came in at the tail end of it when people have negotiated, and then you are the chief executive, and then they will say, okay, we now have a loan that has been negotiated. Come, let's take a picture.
Lofakazi ube esebuzwa ngenye imali eyayikweletwa iTransnet nathi wayikhokha kodwa emaphepheni abameli bekhomishana kuvela ukuthi le mali ayikhokhiwe.
I'm sure maybe it comes from the hotel.
Yes.
But sometime later, because I couldn't find a copy of the invoice that I paid, I wrote to the hotel, probably in 2018 thereabouts, or 2017, I can't remember.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.